Okay, logarithms, here we come. We've been given the equation for the magnitude of an earthquake. We've been told the magnitude of the earthquake. We need to solve for E. So we're looking to get this by itself. So let's just rewrite this with everything that we know. We know that magnitude is 8, 2/3 log of all of this, E, over 10 to the 11.8. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get the logarithm by itself, okay? So get rid of this 2/3. So let's just divide the whole thing by 2/3. Divide this whole thing by 2/3. 8 divided by 2/3 is equal to 12. Okay, you can enter that in your calculator if you need to, or you can do it manually. So now we can say 12 is equal to the log of, and then we have E in the numerator and 10 to the 11.8 again, okay? Now, do you remember I guess a couple of days ago, by the time you watch this, it'll have been a couple of days ago, that when you have these values with division, that implies subtraction, okay? So let's break this up into some subtraction. The idea is that when the base is the same and there's division occurring, then you subtract the exponents. And remember, a logarithm is an exponent, so we can say log of base 10 of E. Now, I know you don't have to write the base 10 in there, but I'm just doing that to kind of help you out here so we can see what's going on. Log base 10 of 10 to the 11.8, okay? Our goal is still to get E by itself because that's what we're trying to find, all right? Now, do you see that because these two 10s are the same, the bases are the same, we're actually comfortable with saying that this entire value right here is equal to 11.8. So we have minus 11.8, we've got a log base 10 of E equals 12. So we bring this plus 11.8 over, plus 11.8 here, so that gives us 23.8 equals log base 10 of E. Now, I suspect this is a little bit easier to see now because we can say 10 to the 23.8 power equals E. 10 to the 23.8 power equals E. All right? That is just taking it simply from logarithmic notation to exponential notation. And now you can just enter that into your calculator. You get a really, really big number. As you can imagine, if you raise 10 to the 23rd power, you get 6.3 times 10 to the, I think, 23rd power. It's really, really a lot of energy there, okay? All right, I think probably the hardest step, though, is to recognize what's going on in getting it from here to right here into these two statements.